The one more topic of the pair of linear equations is equations reducible to a pair of linear form. What is this? Actually, what the equations you are getting, they are not in the linear equation form, but we are bringing them to the linear equation form and solving and finding the values of a variable. Okay, that itself is we are going to discuss in this session. So here is an example, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, and one more equation, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. So by x by y is there. You can observe here. So split it. 2 by x you write as 2 of 1 by x plus 3 by y you write on 3 of 1 by y is equal to 13. In the same way this also. 5 by x can be written as 5 of 1 by x minus as it is 4 as it is 1 by y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now this 1 by x is present in both the equations and 1 by y is present in both the equation. That's why 1 by x will be considered as a p, whereas 1 by y will be considered as a q. Okay. And substitute that in 1 and 2. 2 as it is, 1 by x is p, plus 3 as it is, 1 by y is q is equal to 13. So first equation we got is 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. What will be the second one? 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. You can observe the coefficients are entirely different. Just interchange and multiply. First equation you multiply by 5 and second equation by 2. Okay. That time 5 of 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Multiply 5 2s are 10p. 5 3s are 15q is equal to 13 5s are 65. The same way this should be multiplied with 2. 2 of 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. 5 2s are 10p plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8q is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4. Solve it because you can observe the coefficient of p is same. Change the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, again minus will become plus. 10p, 10p get cancelled. Here both are positive. 15 plus 8 is 23. Q. 65 plus 4 is 69. So Q will be 69 by 23, which is 23 ones are 23 threes are. So Q value we got as a 3. Now we will move to the Q value should be substituted in one of the equation. I have taken 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. 2p as it is plus 3. Q value we got as a 3 is equal to 13. 2p. 3 3s are 9 plus 9 if it goes this side means minus 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. P is 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So P value is 2. But what is P? P is 1 by x. But P value is 2. Cross multiply. Send the terms. Interchange the terms. So x will be 1 by 2. In the same way Q is equal to 1 by y. But Q is 3. 3 is equal to 1 by y. Whereas y is 1 by 3. These are the values of x and y. Got it? So related to this, some exercise problems we will solve. Let us take exercise 3.6. So the first problem of the exercise 3.6. What is the problem? 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Again, here what we have to take, 1 by root x, 1 by root y is common in both. So I am taking 1 by root x as a and 1 by root y as a b. So that time this will become what? 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Here 4 will be as it is, 1 by root x is a minus 9 as it is, 1 by root y is b is equal to minus 1. Isn't it? Check the coefficients. We can make this as a 4. That's why equation 1 you multiply by 2. So 2 of 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4a plus 2 3s are 6b, 2 2s are 4. Now this equation is substituted. Below that, change the sign, subtraction you should do. That time 4a get cancelled, both are positive, add up 9 plus 6 15b. Here 4 plus 1 you will be getting, that is 5. So send 15 to this side, 5 by 15, 5 ones are 5 3 the, so b value is 1 by 3. So substitute b value in 1, 4a minus 9b is equal to 1, in that you substitute, or this is 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. In that I am substituting 2a plus 3 as it is. B value is 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 3 3 get cancelled. 2a plus 1 will be left is equal to 2. Send 1 to this side. 2 minus 1 is 1. So a is equal to 1 by 2. B is 1 by 3. A is 1 by 2. But we have, what we have? A as 1 by root x. So interchange. Root x is equal to 1 by a, which is 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1 you will be getting. But root we had to remove, squaring both sides. So x will be 2 square, which is 4. The same way b is 1 by root y, whereas root y is equal to 1 by b, which is 1 by 3. 3 will go up. Okay, 3 square you are getting. So 3 square value is what? 9. So b value, y value is 9, x value is 4. Got up? Now we will move to the next problem. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. And 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Just from xy you divide both the terms. 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. X get cancelled, 7 by y will be left, minus as it is. Y get cancelled, 2 by x will be left, is equal to 5. The second equation also, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy. X get cancelled, 8 by y. Y get cancelled, plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Now 1 by y and 1 by x is common in both. That's why 1 by y I am taking as a p and 1 by x I am taking as a q. Now what this equation will become, let us check it out. 7 as it is, 1 by y is p, minus 2 as it is, 1 by x is q, is equal to 5. This one, 8p plus 7q is equal to 15. Now variables are different. Just I am planning to cancel q, that's why its coefficient I am multiplying in a cross way. 7 into this and 2 into this equation. 7 7s are 49p minus 7 2s are 14q, 7 5s are 35. This equation should be multiplied with 2. 8 2s are 16p, 7 2s are 14q is equal to 15 2s are 30. Addition you have to do because different sign you are having. So minus 14q plus 14q get cancelled. Left is this, add 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, p 65. So p will be 65 by 65, one side cancelled, so p value is 1. Now substitute p value in equation 1. What is equation 1? 7p minus 2q is equal to 5. In that p value substitute. 7 of 1 minus 2q is equal to 5. Send 5 to this side, cube q to this side. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2q. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 is equal to 2q. Q will be 2 by 2. After cancellation, q value is 1. But p is what? 1 by root. 1 by y. Y will be 1 by p. That is 1 by 1 is 1. Q also 1 by x. X is 1. 1 by p. Even x value we are getting as a 1. Like this problems, few more problems you will be getting. Solve it in a homework book. Okay. So on statement problems we will solve in the next class. By this lesson will be completed. Thank you children.